Let's be honest for a second. You've probably seen those viral videos where someone fixes a huge problem in seconds using something from their kitchen drawer. Maybe toothpaste removes scratches, or baking soda cleans everything like magic. But here's the big question most people never ask. Do these viral home hacks actually work? Or are we all being tricked by clever editing? Every day, millions of people scroll through hacks on platforms like YouTube and social media, hoping to make life easier. We all love the idea of saving time, money, and effort with a simple trick. The problem is, some hacks are genius, and others can waste your time or even make things worse. In this video, we're putting some of the most viral home hacks to the test, not in a complicated science lab way, but in a real-life, everyday way that actually matters. If something works in a normal home with normal tools, it passes. If not, we're calling it out. Most viral hacks fall into three categories. First, cleaning hacks that promise to make your home sparkle with basic ingredients. Second, repair hacks that claim to fix broken things instantly. And third, food and kitchen hacks that supposedly save time or improve cooking. Let's start with one of the most famous viral cleaning hacks out there: baking soda and vinegar. According to countless videos online, this combination can clean drains, remove stains, and basically solve every cleaning problem in the house. It looks impressive too, because the fizzy reaction makes it seem powerful. Here's what's actually happening. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create a bubbly reaction that looks dramatic, but the cleaning power mostly cancels itself out because one is acidic and the other is basic. That means the fizz is fun to watch, but it's not always doing what people think. Now, does that mean the hack is completely useless? Not exactly. The bubbling action can loosen dirt in some cases, especially in drains where debris is stuck together. But if you want real cleaning power, using vinegar or baking soda separately is often more effective. Another viral cleaning hack you've probably seen is using lemon to clean a microwave. The trick is simple. Cut a lemon, place it in a bowl of water, and microwave it for a few minutes. Supposedly, it melts away grease and makes wiping the microwave effortless. This one actually works surprisingly well. When the lemon water heats up, it creates steam that loosens dried food and grease on the microwave walls. The citric acid in the lemon also helps break down grime while leaving a fresh smell behind. But here's the part most videos forget to mention. You still need to wipe the microwave after steaming it. The hack makes cleaning easier, but it doesn't magically clean the microwave by itself. Now let's talk about a hack that went insanely viral: toothpaste for fixing scratches on phone screens or glasses. In videos, someone rubs toothpaste on a scratch, wipes it away, and suddenly the surface looks brand new. It almost feels too good to be true. And honestly, in most cases, it is. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives designed to polish teeth, which means it can slightly smooth tiny surface marks, but deep scratches on glass or screens won't disappear. Sometimes the hack can even make the surface look cloudy. So if you ever tried this hack and thought it worked, there's a chance the lighting in the video made it look better than it really was, or the scratch was extremely minor to begin with. That's one big reason viral hacks can be misleading. Another hack that gets a lot of attention is putting wooden spoons over boiling pots to stop them from overflowing. If you've cooked pasta or soup before, you know how annoying it is when the foam spills over and makes a mess on the stove. This hack actually has some truth behind it. When bubbles reach the surface, a wooden spoon can break the foam structure temporarily. But here's the catch: it only works for a short time, and once the spoon gets hot, the effect fades. So the hack isn't completely fake, but it's not a guaranteed solution either. Lowering the heat is still the most reliable way to stop boiling over. Sometimes the simplest fix is still the best one. Now let's move into a hack that many people swear by: using rubber bands to open stubborn jar lids. You wrap the rubber band around the lid, twist, and suddenly it opens much easier. Compared to some hacks we've talked about, this one is refreshingly practical. This works because the rubber band increases friction between your hand and the lid. More grip means more control, and that extra grip can make a huge difference when the lid is tight. It's simple, cheap, and surprisingly effective. Another viral trick claims you can sharpen a dull knife using the bottom of a ceramic mug. You flip the mug over and rub the knife against the rough ring underneath. It sounds strange, but people online claim it works like a professional sharpening tool. And surprisingly, this hack can actually work in a pinch. The ceramic ring acts like a very fine abrasive surface that can help realign the blade edge slightly. However, it's not a long-term solution for maintaining knives. If you cook often, a proper knife sharpener will give much better results, but if you're stuck without one, this hack might save the day. That's what makes some viral hacks valuable. They're not perfect, but they're useful in the right situation. Let's talk about food storage hacks because these videos get millions of views. One popular hack says you should store herbs like cilantro or parsley in a jar with water, similar to flowers. Supposedly, it keeps them fresh much longer. This hack is actually backed by real kitchen experience. Herbs need moisture to stay fresh, and storing them upright with water helps them last longer. Covering them loosely with a plastic bag in the fridge can make them last even more days. But here's the twist many videos don't mention. Some herbs prefer different storage methods. For example, basil does better at room temperature instead of the fridge. Not every hack works for every ingredient. Another viral hack says placing a paper towel inside salad containers keeps lettuce fresh longer. The idea is that the towel absorbs extra moisture that normally causes vegetables to spoil faster. This hack works very well in real kitchens. Excess moisture is one of the biggest reasons leafy greens go bad quickly. By absorbing that moisture, the paper towel slows down the spoilage process. Sometimes the simplest hacks turn out to be the most effective ones. No fancy tools, no weird ingredients, just small adjustments that make daily life easier. But now we're getting closer to the most surprising part of this entire topic. Before we get there, let's talk about something many viral videos rely on: visual tricks. Lighting, editing, and camera angles can make a result look much more dramatic than it really is. This doesn't always mean the creator is lying, but it does mean the results may not match real life. For example, cleaning hacks often look amazing because surfaces are pre-treated or partially cleaned before filming. That way, the final reveal looks shocking and satisfying. But when people try the same hack at home, the results feel disappointing. Another factor is timing. Many hacks show results immediately, but real cleaning or repair often takes repeated effort. What looks like a 10-second solution might actually take several minutes or multiple steps. Now, here's the big reveal that most people don't expect when testing viral hacks. A surprising number of them actually do work, but only partially. They solve part of the problem, not the whole thing. That's the secret most viral videos don't explain clearly. Hacks are often shortcuts, not complete solutions. When people expect miracles, they end up disappointed. Think about it this way. A hack is like a quick boost, not a full system. It might make cleaning easier, improve grip, reduce mess, or extend freshness, but it usually won't replace proper tools or methods completely. And once you understand that, viral hacks suddenly make much more sense. Instead of asking, does this work perfectly? The better question becomes, does this make life a little easier? Some hacks truly stand out as worth keeping in your routine. Rubber bands for jar lids, paper towels for greens, steaming a microwave with lemon, and storing herbs properly are all simple and effective hacks. These hacks solve small problems in a practical way. On the other hand, hacks that promise dramatic transformations instantly should raise a red flag. Fixing deep scratches, repairing broken electronics, or replacing real cleaning products completely is rarely realistic. If something looks too magical, it usually is. There's also a psychological reason we love viral hacks so much. People enjoy discovering clever shortcuts that feel like insider knowledge. It makes everyday life feel smarter and more efficient. But the smartest approach is testing hacks with a little curiosity and a little skepticism. Try the ones that are safe and simple. Ignore the ones that could damage your items or waste your time. Over time, you'll build your own list of hacks that actually work in your home, and that list will probably look different from the viral videos you see online. Real life always wins over perfect internet clips. So, the next time you see a hack that promises to solve a huge problem instantly, pause for a moment. Ask yourself if the idea makes logical sense. Often, the best hacks are the ones that are simple and practical, not dramatic. Here's a quick way to remember everything we covered today. If a hack improves grip, reduces moisture, loosens dirt, or saves small amounts of time, there's a good chance it works. If it promises a total transformation in seconds, be a little cautious. Viral home hacks aren't all fake, and they're not all amazing either. The truth is somewhere in the middle. Some are brilliant everyday tricks, while others are just entertaining experiments. And honestly, that's part of the fun. Testing these hacks can actually be enjoyable, especially when you discover one that really works. It feels like unlocking a hidden life upgrade. If you enjoyed breaking down these viral hacks with me, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health, home, and everyday improvement tips. I share practical ideas that actually work in real life, not just on camera. Now, I want to hear from you. What is one viral home hack you tried that actually worked or totally failed?